In remodeling, there's a million details, really. We have appointments to keep, we have products to specify. There's a lot of moving parts, but our job is to make sure all those parts come together. Remodeling is not just framing a wall or installing a floor, it's really managing a process. We manage the process from the first day that you walk in the door till the end of the project, and hopefully for a long time after that, because we really want to be your contractor for life.
We had Lifespan do a deck for us, and an excellent job. So when we got around to redoing the bathroom, we called Lifespan.
They made a bathroom into a spa.
Heated floors.
I love the heated floors. Oh yes. It all just flows so lovely, and then we put the door in and put the hot tub out there, and oh my goodness.
Carl was the head carpenter. He ran everything, and I couldn't recommend him higher. He was the best damn carpenter I've ever seen.
As an owner, it's really important for me to feel like the people I have in the field are competent, and I have to tell you, I mean, every day that I'm in the office, I know that things are getting done really well in the field. And that's a huge peace of mind for me as an owner.
I take great pride in what I do and make sure as best as I can is to have it done right the first time. There's definitely hiccups. It's construction, remodeling. Ultimate goal is to make our clients happy and make them feel comfortable and happy with who we are and what we have to offer.
One addition we worked on was a 1910 Craftsman on the east side of Olympia. The clients needed some space on the main floor for aging in place. So we designed a master suite that's right off the back of the house, ties in nicely architecturally to the home, and offers them the living space they needed on the main floor because their bedrooms were upstairs.
I guess that's how they got their name, was trying to encourage people to be able to live their lives in their same house. They're helping us do that, and they've paid attention to those kinds of issues, including walk-in shower, that kind of information that we needed. Sean has been our project manager, and he's just been great to work with. He's a very hard worker and pays attention to our comfort and inconvenience, because there's always going to be a little inconvenience, but it's really been minimal, and we've been really happy with his work, as well as Rava and CJ and Joe and Chris and Jenny. They've all been great to work with.
Chris and Jenny are the best people that I've ever worked for in my life, and I've worked for a lot of different people. I've worked for a lot of people here in Olympia, Tumwater, Lacey, and they're definitely the best.
One thing we've also done is worked on some great outdoor living projects. It's really fun because you take all these cool elements from the house and just move them outside so you can enjoy the outdoor living here in the Northwest when we have the right weather, and also actually when we don't have the right weather, because we'll incorporate some heat usually into those outdoor living spaces, some radiant heat.
We were able to do a mock-up of the kitchen area to make sure that the appliances, the cabinetry, everything fit right. And during that process, we all came to the agreement that we needed to have a little extra space in this island to just allow to have a refrigerator and other items that we wanted. And that was helpful. The technicalities of making sure it all fits and seeing the end result, that's where Jenny and Chris excel.
Everything from the design phase of this, we really understood where Jenny and Chris were coming from. Lifespan's abilities from the design to the build to the many different change orders that might come in were very, very direct, and we understood where they were coming from. They understood where we were coming from. Pricing was fair. The construction was swift. They were supposed to be here at 7:30. They were here at 7:20. Things were cleaned up nightly. It was just a good experience. I mean, we've done multiple things with other contractors, and I think by far Lifespan sets the bar pretty high.
Ultimately, at the end of this whole process, I want everyone that was involved in this process to be happy. All of our team members, all of our subs and suppliers, of course our clients. I want them all to feel like this was a good experience.